Some in my life, oh, and I'm say, hey, some is Sigana idea, Charlie. Sugar drop, I have to come live. Yenya we me camera enemy. I want to ya me da me catch ramo. Ye nation prophet. Papa ba kope. Man of God. Obi obom pa ye my ye. Obom pa ye my ye president. Obi on na dia beben e hye president nsem a wokọ bro police fo muni ma me cat ye man of God abusia ye se me ne mo ka say ye man of God ye de na koto hospital share Ghana hian paibo me catch na mo Ghana say de hian paibo abusia breaking news so no ye hian paibo bia ma na ni nyadene mum ye mom paye en hye ensram paibo ma ye nation prophet because say ye nation prophet yale Ghana is doomed. Share Ghana is doomed because no enetimi bom paye ema ye president etimi bedi ade se muni ma me catch na mo share one na timi ko Israel ekoje ye friend say okosa netie eba one na timi ko Israel ma ye president ehu say no nyame ba we ne medroba wo so mani abuburo firi soro baaye ebesi na bati ena yisi wo say na we ne medroba wo so mani na mo de mo ntena ho mo de munnim sagana wa asamuntia munim na mo de mama ni mmere emeye join prayers ne mompa ye ni mo animu ya entimi save ye nation prophet ye tena ho agro bedi yen ye nation prophet ye se de no ekọ hospital no ye de handcuff ato ne nsa monte ya me ka kire mo me de me ne ho hia me pa ye me mobody yes no mani nche ho kra mani nche ho e de anti nation prophet Prophet 1 obi oni ne tu ayi ye president fo na say wakwa agrada afie kakra bi akwa ye den wakwa kakra bi atwetu a eba ne san pa na nka ye frɛ ne san nation prophet chale IGP ya waba sui any ye judicial system aka kire mo me say I'm daring you people etiasa dare no say de mu ye yi mi aboho chale. Let's all pray. Let's all pray. Let's all pray. Let's all pray. We have to pray for our nation prophets. We have to pray for our nation prophets. Let's all pray. We need to pray. Where is my tablet? My tablet wo wa hembra ne yemom paye emfa ma ye nation prophet animu ya sadia niama ni si kono. We need to pray. We need to pray. We need to pray because your nation prophet at the hospital Yantiasia my nation prophet and for that hospital and ma omon fa handcuff and guye nation prophet and sa me catch up BSA and see this is not going to happen and see onia baby a wo bia la mesra man paibo no munya den bompaye sesia yav man paibo no munya den because your nation prophet asamo ya to Ghana wono na your president believe in him wono na your president o kase empunu wono na timi shan koma etimi ma ya president etimi win election etimi sramu asam na aba na nya asem bia efo enya asem bia yes something we should jubilate, we should pray video na me ya bompaye sesia ma ye nation prophecy nya botere je phone ko je fa ko na mani abomination prophet yale fa phone we ko kan na kodi agoro Mama me paibo abusua me ba wate me tena ho ne nation prophet enko ne ye nchi ne tum ne ye fa handcuff ngu ne nsa ensida hwe e be bompaye ye ade na me phone yi ye be bompaye papa ye be bompaye ye me camera isu jasa Jaisa mabusua me ba me da sama ka kire momonte ya me see a nation prophet ye see a nation prophet ye de na koto hospital ye de a nation prophet koto hospital no ye de handcuff agu ye nation prophet nsa ye de handcuff agu ne nsa ye de handcuff no gu ne nsa no e na ye friend sen omo ye hwe momia mo pae she ye ba bon pae Ah, ya baba mpa asem de ya mo mpa ekura nye ye ma de na eye mi she ya baba mpa ye ma nation prophet Bompire ma nation prophet baby biala wo biala yes rampai bo ma nation prophet e was so bompire ma nation prophet and in guasie we de yantiasie sharabara bara 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 sharabara bara 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 sharabara bara 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 labra kasabra keteke brakata kata kata kete sharabara bara 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 Sharabara bara 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 sharabara bara 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 sharabara bara 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 onia baby awo bia na bompire sharabara bara 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 sharabara bara 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 sharabara bara 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 and next Tuesday na one day na di yeah boy and semi baby a nation prophecy obiara sharabara bara 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 Nation prophet who betano nation prophet ya ma wani mu gwase ah no bia otimi shankom e ma ya president shara bara 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 bobo shara bara 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 shara bara 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 ya tia ma nation prophet David sha ba Mo ba say mu go ya president anymore say mo ba say mu go ya nation prophet anymore say yet ya ma sa asem we si oni adafo ba bia wo bia na me be kan se mi bo nsem say ya boy nsem a ba bia ya nation prophet wo bia na ya sra wo suruja wo sra hoden e ma ya nation prophet shara bra 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 shara bra 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 baby bia na wo bia na ya ba pay ma nation prophet in the name of Atekumbe in the name of Atekumbe in the name of Atekumbe shara bra 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 shara bra 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 shara bra 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 in the name of Atekumbe in the name of Atekumbe shara bra 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 ha nation prophet baby biana wo biana yeah all night time out because when I to me shankom am I a president you're my president Echo Israel Echo for Israel net here sawa di besi cathedral my idea mu ye nua ne bi no mu nya adwuma nye when I would me shankom am I a president so besi cathedral na am I inse so baby adwuma baby a good hospital am I usa wo kwada hospital wa sabre wa ya le kwada hospital ya vampire de man na adwi am ka say shara bara 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 shara bara 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 when I would to your president for say what put it on over the two brazia chale ya vampire yeah, vampire my nation prophet. Baby, be a nation prophet will be a shut up, shut up, shut up. In the name of Atekumbe, baby, be a share video no. Baby, be a share video no. Yet, just my nation prophet and Munguase, and yet you're a penny bit to say, one who saw your bema and chair or baby you are. This is a clear definition. So I weigh a bema or baby you are. Am I a one he papa? Am I a one he papa? Am I any weak point in my mema? When you have a bibiana, wobiana, Mr. said, join me in this empire. Shut up, shut up, Sammy Matra Hamaye, your nation prophet. And in Guasiatono, and sit that in the name of Atekumbe, in the name of Atekumbe, shut up, shut up, baby, be a nation prophet, Robia, me bomb pie man in Anna dream, me bomb pie man in Anna dream. Ama ya president mi adwuma ma ya wose mi tu ya president fo. Ama na baby cathedral hospital. Papa we who can your president aninje. Your president want to mean ya so. Your president bufu ya kuna mo hwede ode ye. Nani nation prophet yale. In the name of Atekumbe. Baby biala wo biala nana jo ya all night am a nation prophet. Me bomb pious and me bomb in summer. And nana ji kase nana ji. Baby biala wo biala kase baby biala wo. Yeah bomb pie and pie be nation prophet so right now. In the name of Atekumbe. In the name of Atekumbe, and see that say a nation prophet betting ya hospital and the handcuff for business. Baby Biala will be around me catch that will say, yes, small through angels. Woman Cosesia, woman Cosesia, woman Cosesia, woman Cosesia, woman Cosesia. Woman koi handcuff for free a nation prophet. Baby Biala will be around me catch us a vampire. Say, angels now was run a coffin or free Israel by. I do a move up a cathedral. In the name of Atekumbe. In the name of Atekumbe. Shut up. And I may say, my body, my pie, my papa. My body, my pie, my papa. I glad that baby, I will be a glad I will back. I glad that at the same time, I catch us. I won't be a nation prophet anymore. In the name of Atekumbe, prayer warriors. Wah, 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 wah. Baby biala uobia. Baby biala uobia. Baby biala uobia. Vampire. Wah. 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 Baby biala uobia. Me sra sa dwane me sampai boy. Mani bresam na meka. Your president who says free education in Yajuma. Say your president who says your home toy. Your president who says bad road in one who say my. Say your president who says Minyaname Wagana Yechicha Wamuti, nothing will be done about it. In the name of Atekumbe. In the name of Atekumbe. Demon Empire. Lift up your hands. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I'm so share video no. 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 Bawon Sam. Ye body man payana dwi. In the name of Atekumbe. Hey, metiasia hohoma kaminana dwi. Hohoma kaminana dwi. Hohoma kaminana dwi. Metiasia my nation prophet in Conquerdom. David agrada wo ne hwan agrada one oboa. Madam oboa. You dey lie. Over my president, you the lie. What to say? And so, what are you doing now? I am praying for a nation prophet. Master, a nation prophet in a demo. No, the Munja Jimmy, no over guidance. And so what? And so what? I'm praying for your nation prophet. Pray. Pray more, Mosemo. Ya back shiramo, papa, more. Muhu freedom fighters are mobile salute yen. The judicial system. Namunim say Yabeka and Watum. Yabeka and Watum. A old tactics in our start will be in Binesi. Obinim was in Yachi Obinim Tumu, Yachi Obinim Tumu. The end result in a say Obinim have to go what police station was so ya then Wayale, Yawano, Honorable Canada Japan say, where did the judges attempt? Ye can see a call in the court. What did they say? They said honorable due to COVID-19 protocols. It became a foolish case. I am telling you. Do another prayer to say the Ghana judicial system only an empire boy ye boy ye bumpire the judicial system a show ones nyamesa the judicial system ye the barber nyamesa judicial system wa the name of Atekumbe. Yeah, the judicial system social body and sa. Yeah, the show monster say, baby, I didn't need Chimaquacotono. I didn't need ya say. So what ya say, and you know. Your judicial system, no, they should do something. Charlie course, no, you have to say, your penny, your call, our flag staff from Fino. Staff of one picking up a pay call. Bah, 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 bah. In the name of Atekumbe, in the name of Atekumbe, in the name of Atekumbe, bah, 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 bah. I am looking for my breakthrough. I am looking for a breakthrough. Fire Papa Wusu and Pastor Flagstaff of one picking a call. Baby Biala will be a lamatis here the handcuff of goodness, and what die alepaho. David in Guasian Fataka Niba, and in Guasian Fataya Papawi. It is Habre Pibono me palm in summer. Now so dear son baby could have wobiala because I hear Christopher woman, the autonomy and Sadia Dicano. What's the young country will say your modi mampaye, and my Yeniano. Yeah, one pie sans with the agrada, ashen and animal sa, say, or Bibiala agrada, Bunuquasia Biala. Say you also by Paddy Equi, Tagra for me. Yea, bah, 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 yay, 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 yay. In the name of Atekumbe, in the name of Atekumbe, baby Biala, who will be a Assembly of Small Pieboko Flagstaff, one fire Papa Wusu and Paco, one fire Papa Wusu and Paco, bah, 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 bah. Charlie, Piebona, Mr. Mompa, why be Mrame, one, I'm a father German home. What's it? Me energy in our co. Yatigana, I'm ready here. Embra edi hiani wo Ghana yete Ghana ekomani bre nti obitimi kotwa bode saa nipa ne de ekomani bre kotwa bode asanse ne papa ne maami ni binti saa nipa ne ya jail in 21 years boys gu circle ghetto brothers muntie me egu circle ekomani bre nti no wakwatwe obi mobile phone adwuma ni ho saa nipa no ya judicial system say we are giving that person 20 years 21 years 15 years minimum minimum na ye di nipa na kotum ye wonpa nkrofo bi wo Ghana in the name of politics, in the name of I know president, in the name of I know chief justice, in the name of I know IGP, in the name of I know Otumfuo, in the name of I know Nanawe, in the name of I know this MCE, in the name of I know this person T loss ni womo. In the name of me papa, I am minister. In the name of me papa, na ye this and that. Embrani ni womo. Ama sa profoda ki e wasi e use womo as a role model. And profo assistant ki e use womo as a role model no. Nanka ye nkola na ye ba ye use womo no. And nem panifo ni na use ye nkola as a role model. Because ye nim say ye maami ni bi ye papa ni bi. Eti a wasi asonson ye ho. Se say ye panifo na di ye nim bebre aboka ki pioto Jimmy Peter Jimmy Fitai mpanifo na mankola e na echinchi mo madwene eni nguase ade eni nguase egu amanfo enko obi ti sa agrada timi gi amanfo sika di wo Ghana sika gari na agrada afa no ho ade ni achi agrada atom because say oni TV license obi ti sa owuso bempa timi ma ne nkrofo timi bo wine what me bo your friend say police for to face the country. This is a clear definition. The reason why freedom fighters we are saying say face the country, the system is broken. The system is broken. The system is broken. All these cases we are watching, they will free this man. You and I know. You and I know say they will free this man. They will free this man because there's so many Christians in Ghana. They are scared to lose votes. Even NDC, so NDC will do it. They are scared to lose votes. But these are the people in the name of God. And they disrespect Ghana. Ghana mraso, say Ghana mra. They can't do anything. They can't do anything to save your friend. Give a role model, to set a role model for us. No, you're penny for him sad and here. Or Saint Kevin, Male say Ghana pa, the politics always makes fun of Owusu Bempah is in the house enjoying this live crowd behind Anna. Mr. Abiam say Fix mother fucking Ghana. Now I agree with you. I agree, Mr. Abiam. And now Mr. Abiam will say, what funny jungle? Yeah, now Ghana has become a jungle. Ghana has becoming like a jungle in that place. It's like a jungle. Do be a pen why Obi na timi batna TV so wasina mikunipa. Obi na wafa ne ho adi free because politician ni bi wom. Hey, mo ya mesia bompaye. Abusia me bompaye ma ne biema na minja na menkoda. Minja mo na menkoda. Me pese me bompaye na anadwi. Say ye bompaye. E na anadwi. Ye bompaye. Ba wonsam na ye mompaye ma ye papa ba bibiala wo biala say. Woni agrada nka mo. Ye de munyame som na na de be ma mo. Ken shaka se me mompaye pray baby biala wo biala papa baby biala wo biala ya bompaye ma because wo yale a your president aninje papa baby biala wo biala when out your president for papa baby biala wo biala when out me advise your president my your president kwaya den what was the cathedral wo biya juma maye papa ya bompaye sa wo honto bra 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 and one on Abusia. Ya bompaye bi abusia mesram correction no ya mom fandi di so akirefo no mon start mesram ye hia ye sister mama ba ne ye hia no sabre wada mama ba sorry a obeba beto aso abebo nwom no freedom fighters o hini David debate ne beba portabiri so this travel beba o mo amaka nyina single bar fo nyina di so conductor ne Dr. Ren obeba begina animu no katachia free for my audience and say Abraham be Moshe no mu nyina ye audience ahwe ye mo ye se eja mo Ghana for pending for ye nya ya dwene se ye eja mo ama mama ye kuro da jimi se de mo pese ye kuro ni jimi no enti sabre ni ya dade mpai bo mafo ye bebo mpai aba judicial system no se enye na dwuma ye saa so ne ye bebo mpai so ama ye papa ye wodam se ya nyinu a ye president ani nje ye bebo mpai am ye president the name of Atekumbe makramo abusia makramo ate we just a breaking news Mama bye adios thank you for sharing so for mama sugar drop neka say makra ubia check for mama sugar drop makra ubia honhom na tie sime so man kopa me ba bia na ara me bompaye ama dollar rate na bubu Ghana cedis no ntime sra mama bye wate mama bye hallelujah shababa
me problem let's say my problem is not about say law enye adwuma o my problem is say law no eye adwuma enye adwuma o ne kwan so enye bukata no abeka say law no enye adwuma bukata debi you people are getting me wrong for this malafaka fool for Jimmy Fu be bear matisa man crado. Ungrateful bastard. Or did we are not in a new chichi form? Kwasia bear maybe tisa man crado. Ne who send me a pimprai. Ne fu kapu. Say ya did so close so ne fumun ye yen. Ghana so close so. Edimiko edit videos. Aman kadu ne timi edit videos. No dia be go frame em okay ka video bom. Na we twitwa cut and paste. Aman kadu timi kati paste or kati no paste. No e ye free ho, no akati we. Na odia be si so. O kati we. No akati we no di we ya be si so. Aman kadu timi ba Facebook live. Say ye mena mebusa sofo usu bempa se e dientina MPP fo ni ebi ejano for Aman Kadu to come out no be to me back use word ni say e dientina MPP for ni bi kura empesa for usu ben passem. Who fucking care? Who fucking care? Malafaka. Who fucking care? Malafaka. For Aman Krado, this idiot, this blackmailer, she wanted me to beg MP, NDC leaders. Aman Krado want me to beg NDC leaders, campaign leaders, for them to give him money to do campaign for NDC. When I mentioned it to one NDC communicator, whatever, they say, engage this malafaka. Nobody need him. Because ni ya wa de media ne so no. He always attack Mahama. So busa who say kawaso ye MPP ni o. But ye baba ye campaign. Senka. Me ka say ye campaign omla me campaign ni ntua ka. Busa who say tiko me yana. That hungry dog Aman Krado. That idiot. Me pa ma cha mo fa cheme. Any man kitty be got me upset. Please. Send me resume voice. And namu me captions. Namu me comment bia. Namu me videos bia. Mo fa cheme. I'm really pissed off. I'm really pissed off for any maybe. For this idiot. For this son of bitch. Bodan Fuoba. Ask yourself. Say papa. Ye nyina ya friend offer. Bra da. Na krofo de chiamwa we se. Wa beto mi ohieni eba de. On tia me ka na me fam feed me ma. Agrada si on tia me ka. Bosome. Me continue koda ne ka. Wa mo se wa mo boafu. Na me ma beye advert ama agrada. Ama agrada achire achemade no. Aka wo senka. Mi jactide no. Sika no. A me de koto aduane ama me medi no. Ka wo seka me eni kwase ka me kan wasem. Enu tina LED abepem this fight. Threaten upon threatener. A flower bar life from Uber threaten papa no. A pushy papa no. I can't say at them the dear one in the nominee. Where are you? Not that I'm no more malafakes. Mosimon. And now I'll play victim. I'm on to Facebook Live. And to make any information say MPP for MPP pay for. At times of Usubempa. It means as of Usubempa is not serving a party. He should quit and have his peace to do the work of God. He can be my dad, my uncle. It will never happen, sir, if this man is my real dad or my real uncle. For Aman Krado to come out on Facebook Live. Bekachile Ghanaians say, Safo Usubempa and Kofo Nyina Hetew. And Pakwa Ye Bekona or Pataya. Who the same Aman Krado will say. O Kauma Bifuna Wadaka. And Yadia Ubejai. Aman Krado refuse our life back, I say. So for penny be any bit me a pataya and to call a ubejaso. Agrada said the same. Shall me where the man go wrong? And now the man is Mubramumino when you know referee how it started. Yantia. And I achi agrada. Dia kwaso nyina besi ne. Yaye bukata. Mami we betina se. Wanu ne ye sika. Ema MPP mpanyifo na me ba abonten na me be ka kire mo se me be tro me comment say the top MPP mpanyifo behind this motherfucker, this bitch, and you are coming to attack me, motherfuckers. You people should bring it on. You people should bring it on, motherfuckers. This motherfucker woman Crawford to bottom me. Nobody. No Sikagale victims. Sikagale victims will be anyone but Obama MPP government. Or be anyone. I will make sure. Say Sikagale victims. Or be the Kokromoti Batwaba. I'm a MPP. Bring it on. You people should bring it on. Ungrateful bitches. Sorry guys, I'm too pissed off. I'm too upset. I need to vomit out. What did I do wrong? I didn't papa na because obey president. A child. Because oka sama president tie. Oh ya politics. Ono so ayane tie. Pisa won se dia na papa na ye. Ya chi kronfo we MPP government. Kronfo we abetra national TV so. Kronfo to bottom ni we was coming half of Ghanaians. Wa betra TV so say. Live video, live TV show say. Obi ankoba bosi amra. Na MPP mpanyifo ministers mpanyifo wano no yesi kama wamu a omutimi de hwene aba 2021 and na me betro me comment me betro me post. Let me see any motherfucker, let me see any motherfucker to try my path. Let me see any motherfucker to try my path. Me say 2024 all the Sikagale victims is going to vote for JM. Untiasi akohanke wo. MPP ni bia wase wantiasi. Me se mo kohanke myself. You people, you can't protect your own. There's no way. And this if one kakura abontin suni be bawura mabaseno. No way. Ama gradu kwa siya penyini wedi nafu. Wako editi papa videos. Wako kati no apesti papa video. Tisedi wako ye sofu no beka se tia Ghana for. Bedu Kobi audio ne piye. Because he wanted to do that for Bedu Kobi to trend. Sebe yo bebo Bedu Kobi henya. Na wenye sikabia kwa ya ni maamia ye. This the same motherfucker bitch was still upset with Reverend Obafor. And he tried to use Agrada, behind Agrada to fool. Behind Agrada to destroy Reverend Obafor. This ungrateful bitch. Mina mebekaye. Let me see any motherfucker try me. Let me see any motherfucker try me. Adiana mube to me aye. Owo echi diana mube to me. Owo echi me se diana mu motherfuckers mube to me aye. Se mu kumi na mu shoot me. Emua JJ Rollins. Because of Ghana, you didn't go to prison. Ono kora wako. Fifi Atamils. Oko. Who fucking care with your threats? Motherfuckers. Means no Sikagale victims is going to vote for MPP 2024. 2024. That is the truth. For seka agrada ama bonte. Ama me can't say. The video is there. Agrada ama bonte. Me can't say. What the empenyin fuase. Mubolo ye tike. Mubolo ye sia. What mu wana nado dan kweku fado chembesia. And do I have something to say? Mimi wo bibika. Sha. Masa media mimi nyetim kitwo. Mimi nyet ni paketwo obi abetimi de kwasasema be fam suo. I hate nonsense. I hate nonsense. Nobody say because of papa ye MPP ni. Emlani be ye juma. And you call the police ni a one shot here. No one know edit to a starting ako will be a solid air to tour. I was up a panel in Solima. Echo ye case tia police for one. So I would do almost solid down. No man may show myself. And no man for police at Adiama. No man the warm up a contokwa. Most papa Timmy Quagra de fie. And conco contokwa. Police Timiko will be a solid down. Emma and Solomon no ko ye chichiri. Hey, mo pesa mo chire ye sa Colombia car. What the konya accident. Mo pesa mo chire sa Colombia na aka no the konya accident. Colombia wa fani kana konya accident. Kana mo di good Colombia so no. You people hate Colombia. Mo de mo car na hate Colombia car. Ama gradu video no. Oh, Chila Krobia Kano live video. Where did Amankrado get this video? Malafaka bitches. Police for kosu commotion. And police for jina as ekute phone. A video will be a car. And in the plate number. Registered plate number. And the next person is on social media live. And show video no. And show video no. You people plan it just to tarnish the man's image. Just to tarnish the man's image. But I don't know what if he say. Eka papa na ebibe to me akamo. For your own selfishness interest, you hate the man for no reason. For this motherfucker, or editing Kofuasem, or editing Kofu videos, no akikabom, no adia sa audio sunibi no mo editing, Amankrado editing, Adikoma kwa naimo, Emma nieme luku like say, Daniel Obinim, edidi, honorable candidate Japoatem. Agrada no ababonten abekatre yen ho say oda loyalty kas woda judge asi tie woda MP for asi agrada betre video mu say 2021 election oye sika boto baako the video is there. Adema MP for ne di kwachecheche ma wo mu mpasua so e ma wo mu timi di ba power and me be try me comment who fucking kwasia me be try me comment me ma be try me caption you are under my caption I will attack me motherfucker say how dare you to involve politics. Who started it? Why am I starting here? Canada Japan can congratulate MPP for Timontano. You people protect Abonte so for. Mun tracy any pano, some new IGP no, mun tracy the history. Na mu liar or deba. Na mo fanto was NDC for ase. Omo di obi be ye IGP a. E wom se wo ye Ghana ni die. Odi bia eye. But omo track no. Nothing route no every the different ayibi na ba. Adenti na mo kwa koyi. Obi amana ba be bobo aba. Mo yi firi mo amomo. Because mon trust it, they a free clause over. Me say you people cannot beat NDC when it comes to politics. Agrada na better life umaka. And I may make kebi. Let me see Yali Malafaka try to attack me. Sure. Me say agrada na better life mu. Enya agrada ka wan enim lawyer tike. A lawyer was connected to Nana to Dankwa Akufo-Addo chambers. Now maybe but some top MPPs. I help agrada man for the prison. You are coming to tell me. Say I shouldn't tell. Malafaka. Let any foolish or any fool try me. Because I'm now threatening koku. Who fucking cares who obewu? Who fucking care? Say obewu. And who fucking care? I'm not part of them. Kwasi wait to me edit videos. What to me ko edit? Also for paying be. Every video be go about the man yet is all sort tracks. Video data. Sebe you be go catch penny no be defend it. No enya na funti. Ama gradu na anopani we no edit pictures. Eke kabom cut and paste. Na musumu gugu ama get my. Ama gradu better life. Ese MPP penyifu obi mo papa pana sem. Na meme be make sa statement no. Adia kama sema. You dare not. MPP, Amankad wanted US. And come on, na muni ni Oba abeja kesi yama moya yoya. Oka on. Amankad kachira me say, me kope NDC for contract. Enfamano. Wafanya campaign. Ema NDC. This idiot. Mabusa mo say DNT na kwa nai. Otimi ba ka fake pastors. Any fake malams. No antimi amention agradati. Abra won na debato. Na mimi beki comment ya. Share. Tabre mumu pi mo jale. Mo jale. Mo jale. Wano MP of Ase. Honorable candidate upon. Live on television. Si okonfuo bi o se so tuom okutane evidence nyina wakum nipa obetena ho mi wo video mi wo audio mi wo evidence na me be ka kire mo say top MPP men are protecting Agrada. Mo ka send this for mo ya Jimmy for Makacham say, you people, you cannot beat NDC on this political game. That is the fact. Mo gomo wo mbe yusu mo amon kofo. E di against mo. Na me betra ga ade ngege on pesa law ni be ye adwuma. Why na pesa law ni be ye adwuma? Why na pesa law ni be ye adwuma o papa so? But busa won say law na mo so enya adwuma o papa ne so no the right channel the right law law papa e kwan kro mo fa so koye arrest no was so disgusting. They should put their head in shame. E kwan mo fa so koye arrest no who ko obi fi akoye arrest show ID card amone show ID card. Now one show ID card, so yes, you try to sneak. At the end of someone sent to quite coso. Wait, etiquette camera musa. Obe make sure say papa no, na solid dying, and the papa kukuram. So they are aware, say, Mammy, bet me a smart gato boys. I'm another distracted church. Na ya betra woni ababeka on shatale 135 security man and security personnel ba no ko bi fia won introduce ne ho na me timi fie me no obi was ID card me timi fie na obe mia me bell. Now see police see your family. Any smart person will ask for your ID. I'm also your police ni. Only kind of kwana busa police ni say. Mami show ID say be your police yampa. Aba try say or shoot to come. Na uwa ko obi fie. Amla na efa na ukuta kana uko obi fie o ya urobo na say ye tonwi. Me say ayamuna mudi police car a bo club ya kanim. Because the club ya the way amusi attacking no wanjimo eni samu ya police for. So he wanted to run away to the right place. Muna mo knocking it down. Wan fa car na konya accident. Car no a police car na what they knocking it down. Now next minute, na video se koye between mo by busa wo say e debe dinner papa ne kolawo inside. Baby a police for kwana ho. Na picture to me appear Facebook. Na ye show. And in the next 2 minutes, they claim a press release. Nama release press. Jebe safu usibempa assaulted. Why assaulted? Uku obi fiya. Introduce one and starting ko argue and metroso. Musumu nimsa ntokwa bi ikoso. Musumu nimsa wa baba sieti mi apa life mu trete. O trete say obegu papa na sorry. Amankado better life mu say obe make sure say no ma abakula ngula papa na sorry then because of his own interest. Because he thinks that papa na kanokura chen say amai jantokwa no amai jantokwa ne so and na mumu play victim. Now wo tena wo fie ka say we invite obi ne boys. Now wa ma krama na edi ne maame awo no. Muti mi pie ba abonten ba kokora. Panyini be no di ka pie ba abonten ba kokora. Adama announcement say antokwa ni threat na koso social media no. It's against the law and to obi entwa so. Agrada Fredens. Wama. Yes, usike ni kwa se papa ne ko. Na oba abesia no de won ho kwan se otimi frɛ papa ne se omra. Wama kraman na adi ni maame for almost 6 months. Ordinance wo won kurache. Asye ye ahye nkola yi edie so. Edi asem na bo beka he. MPP abai. Asye ye ahye nkola yi edie so. Mami wei epia bonte se ote edemu hope ote sofo wusu bempa demu pe ana papa ne wuro akoraketo address de ne sa wo ne twe aseye hwenkola ye die so uti moto mo nsa frɛ no kire se ye sofo wusu bempa na wono akasa ne fiefo empe na asemunti na wono akasa ne fiefo ato na ma bonte sofo nti eye fine se ye gu papa nanim ase wono afa bloggers wo UK part Belgium afifa bodafo anopa ne awia adia papa ne innocent ne boni oye ne se papa no me ne akra da ko be pataye enti I was so high nkofo anopa day and night no mu ti papa na tema no pa ne awia na papa no onde oni adofo meboa because wo turn inti tinanka ni kwaso obi aba wo turn inti ni dofo bi ya blogger kan ni kwaso obi aba na wo wure fi se ngege pia obi aba tambia no anya papa no na suma no aya meme ntokwa ameko aya so-called rich woman, self-acclaimed rich woman. So-called self-acclaimed rich woman. So-called rich woman. Otimima empanyi for ministers sika. Emma omochicha. Emma womu mpesiaso. Emma etimede womu ba power. 2021. That's what the woman said in her video. Uwe fisen tokwa ni yemen tokwa. Uwe fisen tokwa no yemen tokwa. Na sofo usu bempa ye opatafo. Busa nipa opata ye bi aniwa. Mami na nchan ni so. Mami wei aya adie omali ka kire no. Odi omali betina Tender TV ku mali ani mase. Ojunoko beka enyansa sem kire no wodi ojunoko abatina Tender TV be gu ojunoko animase Out TV boss na say was it Out TV for wakokas mama Out TV for sen kebeya Out TV are making comment and this say woman eba bonten ebeka say only Out TV boss and a scam together. Now Out TV boss na chem say me si askame. Out TV boss ana de nenam Jessica. Kisi pepra patani se onyai. Obedi and throw upon and throw. Ataki kisi pepra personal se oye bonyini. Na mahama bekachira musemu o short brain musu wadidi matem. Mahama se Ghanaians, some Ghanaians more short memory. Musi Mahama didi matem. Malafakes. Mami way back na video show. Na bra wakano kura chire no. Ewi achire wade krono to na bra okunu so. Why the kano kura chire no wan tokwa ya kuya. Was Reverend Obafo could I be about be commenting about and crank it to a Hasha TV? I'm about Kwakokum Obie. Pesha indirect insult upon insult. This woman came out to lie against Reverend Obafo. Was a Reverend Obafo, Mama Mingesika. Ghana for I swear. Everything I'm on social media, I talk, I defend. For Reverend Obafo, me say I defend the kingdom of God. I never received any 1 Ghana cedis from Reverend Obafo and Hiri. A man crowd will receive 100 million was a chiake. crowd to I and any more. Timmy Baba Tim Becca say, MPP for Bicula and Pass of Usup and pass him. I saw 4 penny from Pass of Usup and pass him. He said it several times on his video, live video. Go through Mami Gege page, go through all Mami Gege pages. Among crowd voices down. The same among crowd who condemns Agrada. Among crowd by life because Agrada ya pro or ya koshini wanya comfort. Now Ebane say the same among crowd Gina. Angel TV. Ejina life on a passe, Sikaga levitins. I was say, Ghana by Sikaga levitins because we're many bloody. The same person. Hey, Sawubana me de me caption to me page. Sawubana me ye me video now until I see a Jamukoko out there. But I swear, I will attack whoever will attack me. I swear. Let any motherfucker try. Whoever will try to attack me. Sika Galeni is starting you. Busa won't say you then at 10. Abedu say. MPP abain na waswa. Upasa kamenka say. MPP Abina was one and number one. Ask Kami Ghanaians. You want me to come out and say NDC Abina was war? Tamana NDC Abina was war. A BC ya. Mama can say NDC Abina was war. It is a MPP Abina was war. Do you want me to go and blame NDC government motherfuckers? Make a come out. Let me see any fool. Let me see any motherfucker try me. Oba besia ba bontinsa what the minister say. Me to a minimum lawyer tike. I will feel another than Kwakufado Chambers. Me minimum lawyer tike. You people should buy your hair MPP for some of you. Say ya di emlani nye juma. Emlana aye jumano, but I won't say fane kwaso. Say ye shumpa. But I won't say Emlana aye jumano. Allegation no e fane kwaso. Police etimi be will see press statement without attaching evidence. So discussing. Na me can be called school do etire. Kamu ba fani o ma shiwoka na. Miss me but I am see many soon say because good do a check a lawyer. But it's not too late. Me a quite be a me for a lawyer. Me my lawyer. Some fubinti. Me say me di 8 years kura. Me through 8 years me a shame law for che. Now me graduating a lawyer. Kianim lawyer trike. Kianim when the court to back crop for men a court to babada judge yasi. Sabua wa buame. The woman said it on live. Na me ame commenting over attack me. Because Maka say no Sikaga Levitim will vote MPP 2024. Saka NDC person ye ho. Samahama kura netiso. Mahama netiso. Ana kagra de din kwasi asem we. Ana kwasa ba life abadi da wo ma se. Abra yenim se yet corrupt country. Omani ye corrupt country. Na emebunu no feel insecure. Eka the same thing na mebabeka say no Sikaga victims should vote for sa party na was one. Sana kamebabeka. Hey, media me obu bo wa adwene ameba ba bo ma adwene chew. Nobody should try some of the caption but wa. Oba tron kwasi asem. Oba na me the caption at wa chamko. Chamuko. Osi law ni nya adwuma. Law ni nya adwuma. Law ni nya adwuma. Enye fie nipa na aton. Eni efie nipa dia ma abonti so ni a. Enka de asi nka wote ase. Enye fie nipa na aton fie nipa dia koma abonti so ni a. Ka de asi no bate ase. Se law ni nya adwuma. Acquire arrest in the course, no. Acquire police for a release press statement. Did they attach any evidence? Any video evidence? Did they attach it? Motherfuckers. Come on, release press conference, not more the charges. Atosono. Where is evidence? Economia. So who could speed? Economia who could speed? Economia who could speed? Could I just come on with the car? Extra traffic lighting. We had the letter ebe fear. Letter ni bebanuna evidence ni bomb. Letter ni bebanuna that moment time I would try red light. Maybe se me kopake car. Esi baby. Say yes, a double yellow line, said ye. Careful, nani kwase me disi wo. Sana minim se camera, CCT, esi wo. Amo de letter never told me box muno. Amo explaini. Jentia amo charge me. Number one, any kwase na kame pake wo. Bloni nim say yes. Eba meji echinye se enyamia. Eti eba na me kano ebo na me bie gate na me sie free mu no eno so boase time wa me di time a wodi be si ho any time a wodi tu ye na boase who police who be release press statement you call it who be release press statement. What to me the allegation account say Bempa boys insulted 3 policemen who wanted to go and make arrest. What publish? What me publishing evidence and touchy? What kind of discussion arrest? So arrest where your friend could pomponi. Arrest na kamoko. I call arrest Krobia. And in a nedu. Wababesia atimiti party be member panyini bi animu age form ubetimi atra Ghana the chief limam animate form ka ba yira within 2 hours bra be ye video never chief limam animate form oba yira within 2 minutes se obini obi kunanka Limama bekasa kasafa asumudie na nipa na tene entokwana kone so eka nipa kro ka ba yida 2 minutes. This is what I love most about Muslims. I don't even fucking care the utifia wo ka wo. But the thing is papa ni innocent. I am from the same Sikagale victims. The man is innocent. Nana do call me, says, please, for the sake of peace, for the sake of Papa Jai. Maybe the year video send me kubiem. Me anti video na man crowd our life. So for be a dipping pata obia na grada on Instagram. Oh Janio, and I'm not a patchow. So be open who force for Abatone Bama. And to corner me, confu ye be similar. And to corner be a stadium wow frame is a minai. So for Canada frame is a minai. And to corner penny for including Reverend Obufu and Padabia what me for so seminai. Now me try yaba ya whole video. Say me chime ko. The next 2 minutes, Amankado was live. Say so for bien obe to me. Aba stop and tokwa. And ma will be a macassa stop for bias one night and tokwa. Now what can mammy funadaka? Not knowing, say, na papa na friend for some work at the same statement. And now Amankado is playing victim. Mala fuck you. Go and pay DJ Marcus. Am I? That damage is 11.7K. Go and pay. And some of us, we know how to take care of ourselves. Everything I'm doing for Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah, I just like the man. And I'm doing for God. Mimi yes of Owusu Bempah so be mama 1 Ghana cedis. Asan my by life oh. Amankado ne timi aye video. Me wunu be da. Say what me ye video we fof atwra fon asoma ne nua. Say my video ba ko pa bia be defend. Etini nua nko papa office nkoji sika. Me nye video masofobia and let me make this statement clear to you guys. I'm going to defend the kingdom of God. Any malafaka, any liar. Saudi adiemi fe nyankopon nipa ho. Saudi adiemi fa politician bi ho. Saudi adiemi fa Ghana nipa ho. Adi abetu social media ne so a. Me fe chire na nya no kra. Say nipa ni wo party B party A, I will come and defend it. And I'm going to defend pastors. No matter what. And it's Saudi Arabia media and so. If you want to destroy any pastor, destroy them with the truth. Don't come on media to come and destroy any pastor with lies. Any politician with lies. Same agrada me bien enu mutuo. Agrada threaten the TV and kasa. Busa wonsa kameme wa semoka. Musa me buafu kakra. In fact, I'm really pissed off. The hit on the man. Aye party pintia. Or didn't want joining. Any senior person who I didn't crack to my party no. Obano beka ni sunsum masama ono kwa na era ni sunsum no wo ni sunsum ube dina tema o respond dabi o kana waka o dabi because ono kwa na nam no ye ni sunsum no ye ni prophet adwuma no ohunu ni ope anya wo na wo fucking friend no wo nyame adwuma eti so ye fake so onye fake o invite us brana solid people who believe in him, people who testify papa na adwuma pa. Those are the still people going to his church. What do you guys fucking care? What do you guys want from the man? Because you don't like him. So, any cause will be so like him. Because you hate him. So, I also will be hating him. But let me tell you, motherfuckers. Those who love Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah is more than those who hate. The same people. One day, you done here, sorry. Baba su mama mu. Baba be chinchim ye ni asia betro rest in peace. Se papa nenko. The law no obi ni wa yaba. Me meka se papa ye MPP ninti. Wato mra. Obi so obi beka se papa no abeka ni video m say papa ne ka say se mu invite entokwa ne ye mienu adenti na police be invite me eja agrada enti wo be police the invitation ba eni pa mienu na eko invitation no kranko even the one of the obana wo woman kran allegation o making no criminal allegation eno na wose kamosho wo ye adwuma wose woni papa no ne kodi awu police for mote ho wanu ba besie timi bebie na no say anadu 10 o'clock a woda ni kunachi papa ne frɛ ne call so onkokumu obi oni papa no ne kodiewu eti chese maame no wo ye killer maame no wo ye wudini enkofo bɔ ne pa amo kukum nipa wo man ni mu enipa ayira wo man ni mu enipa ewuo enipa enkura ayira. This woman is on Facebook Live. Ghana police musimo ahu. Se wonu timi kodiye wu. Obi timi frɛ no. Allegation be na chen say. Se maame wo na wabetu wanu mutuo. So obi suma wo. Na ekoduru court. Na ekoduru police station. Na nipa na waka asam ne to ne so say me mfrɛ won suma wo. Se kodiye wu. Eti una wakanti chire evidence. I want to chire call conversation. Oba chire nkoma akoso. Oba chire be any evidence to prove Ghana police. Se osuma ema ukodie wu. Dia wasuma emi ye kodie wu. Ani dia wo kodie wu. Omu nyina ko prison. Dia wo timi frɛ obi se kokumu obi. Kodi obiewu na kakwasia bema we manasi me charge me phone we Saturday manasi I will play your voice kwasia baby awona ma wudi nkomo so bekum na anabra your voice is here kwasia moa me say dia wakatire obi so obi nkokum obi ama ni pakro kokum obi omu nyina ye guilty. Tie Papa church members. Sama kwa soli Sunday. Na ye di tuwa be wuna mo. Na ya ba pomo. Tisa di amu ya kronfu amu tonwi. E wasofo wusu bempa sorry. All in the name of say yes papa ne a church members. I promote different church. Oman timian ko crop ya ho. Oman tumian ko na neduo. Na particular straight away. Na wo police ni a wo so ye investigation. Akwachi obi. Nipa na opese akwachi no anko asole wo glorious church. Sofo crop ya na asole so wo different any glorious church. Eti papa church members munyina anka mo humom. A police for that time no mo ye duty no mo ba ye no. Omo di hu se mo timo asole. E di tuo abetoto ehunahuna mu. Enioma no mo ye ni nyina no asole camera no e wo ho. You can use that one to proceed mu case against those omo they call themselves CID. Munkoya mukes. Na ma sure thing. Assembly started, you know. Ya di munkoya case yo. Munkoya case yo. Munkoya case yo. Munfla mulo yo. Munkoya case. Nipano. Saka papa me pata ye tokwa noa. Enka Ghana for baka say, hey, papa usu bempei. Agrada tra osa wa yene wofa. Aman krabo so tra ofra ne papa. Engege tra ofra ne papa. Enti papa usu bempa entoko ekosi yon pie ma abonte mekabi. Papa ni pie opie ba abonte ne na mani hunu ni o. Ye chane mpoa no pa. Ewia enumere. Now be invite papa so wa police station without agrada. Apre di pa mienu na eko. And ya maybe nya fair. I don't know how Ghana system police working. Etina mechira mahadure. Now I stand to be corrected. Say agrada. Who jina baby ki kachira nkofo say new IGP no. Kwano no ye NDC ni. Ana nana do dan kwagu for do appointing no. na wofli wukurom kura ma wako chia no agrada eya sembusa mi busa wo enkomodidie bi akoso agrada ya no kura se wo ni sa new IGP no akoye mpuni mpu eya sem na mi busa agrada eya no kura se Kofi Boakye o blackmail no enti wudi bone na wo kama na hyedam wo na wo frɛ no ade a wudi blackmail ne soso e wo se wo frɛ mpanyifo no ye de wo pema wo agrada mi busaw eye no kore una anam na wo kika o una unam na wudidi wo nkomoko uko aye na se kwatu sika gu ni na aye na se oba me obeka tia me se wo konsi ye man tiase na me nim se wo relate kura to the man no so ansam na akwa abonte na nkrofo bi kika na afa mitirimu no de opesa wo kire ani se papa no wawe wampa ama wukuta niyama ose niyama wo wofa ne ho aya no kora mi busawo anu dina mo blackmailing kofo bi mi busawo abato abonti say police fo ni bi kwaye under na wo de wo mo to pay euros because NDC abai no ontua police fo ka mi busawo na na do be source no ontua police fo ka mi busawo etina wo di MPP ti so trio police commander omu nyina na do ma tutu pe euros eya sembusa na mi bisa enti ube chinchin enyafo eji wo mo kra firi wo mo nsemu a Canada Japan betra ho eya so obe expose a awasa sankofo ni nyina e call it honorable Canada Japan ema wodi ni tuo egu fom agrada you are the malafaka page o betra video mu a na o threaten pa live in colored our Ghana video oh puapia gani but now live television said now we want out the time ebe sheniti ashem ha media samon kaya me kakai me engage me to na asoma obi so me kumia me wakum nipa bia those people are more set trap hey moniama mu ya nyina me hu betia me na me ya by force ni mo me ankasa me tia me ya bosumo na samu nkwasi asem na mo ya na mo mankofo engege me ya offense pa share me baby me pese me hu landing masa sa low kids no me ya smarter than this me uti me fa sika trap me o because me ni milisika etina me sole koye adwuma me ebi o ebe bo 9 o'clock nyina na me ye over time mi obi nti se nese se me kwa adwuma metumi apon metumi abom adwuma asa kopo adwuma foforo atwa so 3 hours medru fie kura na 10 o'clock me mai etina mani milisika mimi yo hiani ba mesini mini ni bi mesini mini ya popra but mani milisika etisika bia utimi fan set me up mi ya obi a minya dwamafo o memfefe mi twam tese agrada etimi utimi fa ba ma set me up etimu amuna mi message mu we love you me your doctor me ya wan I like you, I like your action. I'm a married woman. You can never trap me with any man. Bema bi anya mi test you. Aje mi kuru papa ngege. Ono kwa na ye mi test. Entity ya. Apart from some basman see me bo mi tuo enkume. Ama chime sekai. Ano kra me mai. Se mi wuna ade a chia ho ba. Owo safuo nkuta. Owo kakra mi ngege mewuo. Ma adwene me mebobọ ama wo abesutu mi ana wa ba wa mesekan no. Enti kama me mekere ma adwene. Me dia mebobọ ma adwene no wa besutu mi. Oh yes. Me dia mekeka makoma so nsam. Ama wa ba wa mesekan. Hey. Wo ba ko pa mi be wu ako. Na bra sa wa ma wa mesekan ya mi ka be wu dada. Braye, mo hwehwe abebo mi tuoi. Mo hwehwe mi amebo mi tua. Engege mi mewu dada. Ana mo amebo mi tua, ewu na manim. Mi ngu. Mumu bi mu yankwasiafo bebre. Wo de akwasia ni jimifo bi afana asamomra mso. Kwasia ni jimifo bi afana asamomra mso. Kabeti wo mami chemu yi